Neither. Hi, my name's Emmerich, and we're talking about fundamentals today. And here are my people I'm interviewing.
Mason.
Sophia.
Okay, we're talking about Fundamental 11, practice human connection. Be intentional in cultivating connections and relationships with the people around you. Be courageous enough to step out of your comfort zone. Be open and vulnerable so that others trust that they can do the same. Show people that you care about them as a person rather than just business. Ask them how they are doing and care for the answer. Genuine compassion can't be faked. Mason, how do you feel when someone shows they care about you?
Like jealous and stuff.
So you said you feel jealous whenever someone shows that they care about you? Okay. Same question to you.
I care about them too, I guess.
Okay. Those are some good answers. Mason, how do you act with friends versus when you're with your parents or teachers?
Whenever I'm with friends, I act goofy. Whenever I'm with my parents, I act calm. Whenever with teachers, I act calm and do as I was told.
Here, the question is, how do you act with friends versus when you are with your parents or teachers? Same question to you.
Adults I don't know. I just act calm, and with kids, I act goofy. Same thing with parents.
Okay, nice. Mason, how do you go about making new friends?
I introduce myself and ask them how are they doing and what's their name.
Okay. All right, same question to you, Sophia.
I like hang out with them a lot, and I start to introduce myself and stuff, same thing as him, and then I guess that's it.
Okay, good answers. All right, so the next question is, how should you act in public? Mason?
Calm, don't be crazy, and don't stare at people.
Okay. Pretty good. Sophia, same question to you.
You should be respectful for the people around you. Like, don't make noise, don't act crazy and stuff. And, you shouldn't point either or stare. Same thing.
Okay, so your answer was,
Don't act crazy and stay calm.
okay, and so you said,
Be respectful, don't point.
those are really good answers. All right. Any questions y'all have for me, I guess?
No.
All right. Well, I guess that concludes our interview.